Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix problem when you get internet connection but cannot use Google Play Store or browse Google Chrome. So in order to fix that, we'll need to go to our settings, find a setting called General Management at the bottom of the site, and go to Date and Time. From here, enable Automatic Date and Time, and it should be fixed. Let's check that out. We'll go to our Google Play Store and open any app. It loads properly, and the same should be with our Google Chrome. We reload the page, and as you can see, it works normally. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.